DevOps my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about how to installation of Prometheus on Ubuntu Linux server. We know that Prometheus, why we are using it, is a open source monitoring system that collect and store time series data used to monitor various aspects of system and applications. To know more about this Prometheus, you can go this official website. I will provide in the description. So coming to the topic, so we are installing the Prometheus. I will go through the official website prometheus.io/download. Here we have two versions are available. One is 17, another is 18. So I will choose the 18th version and copy link. So we have different OS are available. So I will choose the Linux. So here I will use the command wget download the Prometheus. So it will take time to download it. Once the download is completed, if you check ls, so here it will show the Prometheus. So I will untar by using tar-xvzf and prometheus.gh. So it will show the directory like prometheus.linux-amd. Now I will create the user to access this particular directory. So Prometheus, so we can check the Prometheus user is existing or not. So just check pswd. So here Prometheus user is created. So you can check this directory. All the users, which users we are created, everything it has stored in the password directory. So once this directory, it will show the Prometheus user, then we can copy. Here I created two directories. One is varlib. In this particular directory created Prometheus. This one is one directory, and another is Prometheus I created in the etc directory. So I'll give the owner permissions. Already we are creating the one user Prometheus, so that owner permission I assign to the particular Prometheus directory. So these directories are existing or not, we can check by using the cd/etc. Here if you check the Prometheus, it has Prometheus directory. If you check ll command, so it will show the owner permissions. If you check ll command, so it will show the owner permission. Prometheus, I provide the ch1 command to give the owner permission to the particular Prometheus directory. Even though I'll give another user permission to. Here also in the etc directory, I created Prometheus directory. I provide the owner permissions. If you go and check Prometheus directory, here we have owner permission assigned to the Prometheus directory. Then what will I do? So we have once these directories are created and give the owner permissions, then I will go this particular directory, that is cd ls Prometheus. So here we have console libraries and consoles. So these two libraries are copied into the particular etc directory. So I will do one thing. See, I will copy for recursively. I will give the Prometheus. So here console is there and console library is there. So I will copy these two into the particular etc directory by providing chown owner permission to Prometheus recursively, and also I will give the already we are providing the owner permissions this particular Prometheus directory. So I will copy this two Prometheus console and console library to the Prometheus directory. So I copied this two console underscore library directory and console to particular etc directory. We are creating the Prometheus, so I copied. So I should are provided recursively. So if you go and check that etc directory, so here we have console library and consoles. So once if it is done, so I'll give owner permission to the console library and consoles. So if you check the owner permissions, I will provide this console user permission to user owner permission to the particular directory console library and consoles. Once it is done, then so here I copy both Prometheus, this script and this Prometheus into the user local bin in this directory. So if you go and check slash user local bin, so you can check we have two Prometheus and Promptoil. So if you check the owner permissions, it does not have any owner permissions. So I will provide this owner permission to this particular directory. Chown give this permission to Prometheus and Promptoil, and as well as Promptoil. Tool tools. So I provide this owner permissions. Now if you check this user cd pin, so now you can check it has both user owner permissions that Prometheus user to allocate to Prometheus and Promptoil scripts. So then we have to create one more directory, that is prometheus.service. So I copied this prometheus.yaml file into the Prometheus etc Prometheus directory in the Prometheus. All the files are should it has in the Prometheus directory. So if you go and check /etc Prometheus, so you can check here the prometheus.yaml file. So we can configure our local file by using, if you go and check prometheus.yaml file. So we have to given the IP, which IP we have to give, our public IP we have to provide here. So I copy this public, this is my public IP. So if you are using AWS, you can provide the AWS, or if you are using Azure, you can provide that public IP, whatever it is. So I copy this public IP and save and come out. Then so one more file we have to create, that is Prometheus server dot Prometheus service. This is another file we have to provide. So that file we are creating the etc system md system and Prometheus dot service. So here in the Prometheus dot service file, so I given this uh, syntax, so that is unit description and service, where we have to given that one username is Prometheus and group name is Prometheus. So we can start where user local bin in Prometheus. So here we have given the script Prometheus script, and Prometheus.ml we are providing into the etc Prometheus, and as well as we are providing the Prometheus varlib, we are creating the path there also, and also we are providing console library and console libraries in the Prometheus etc. So this is the syntax I given in this Prometheus.service. So once if you provide this like this, then you can copy, you can save and come out. Once the file is saved, you can use systemctl daemon reload. Then after that, you can use this command systemctl start Prometheus. Then you can check systemctl status Prometheus. So if you show it is active, means that Prometheus are running successfully. If you go and refresh it, so it will work Prometheus. So this is the way of installation of Prometheus. If you have queries, please keep in the comment section. Thank you.